I just got something. So most of my friends know what I got the other day. I purposely unboxed it to show them what it was. But I got something yesterday and it was really fun and expensive. So let's begin. So first of all, I got my power cords. Couldn't tell by the size of the power cord already. The controller should be a dead giveaway, but we're gonna come to that in a minute. So I'm just gonna set everything out. Okay. All right. So let's begin with the smallest one and then go up to the biggest. So I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to guess what game this is. I'll give you a hint. At least YouTube likes to say it released in 1998. Alright, did you guess The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time? If you did, congrats. If you didn't, you suck. So I'm gonna put this on my nightstand. And now we're gonna open up the second one. It's a Nintendo 64 controller. Now, I've never seen these except for the time I went to my game store yesterday, which is where I picked this up. So, yeah. We're just gonna wrap this up real quick. I'm gonna put that right here. Next up, the Holy Grail itself. If I can find where to freak it out then. Oh, there we go. The Nintendo 64. One of the lower selling consoles of its generation, but still, it's very, very fun. So now that we have that, we're gonna go set it up.
Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.